Day 8 and we're driving into LA.
Downtown LA.
Downtown LA. We're going to check out some the art district and check out my step auntie's shop, which will be really nice. And again,
Lovely day.
lovely day as always. So yeah, I've had quite a lazy morning and I'm just going to enjoy the afternoon. Can't get him away from a tennis court.
I've been trying.
Morning. It's day 9.
Going for a hike in the Hollywood Hills.
Our last day in LA.
Yeah.
And then we're gonna head down to Big Bear and start our camping.
Yeah.
Such a monkey kid. We've been driving for an hour already. We're not.
Yeah.
We're
Yeah,
not
about
at
an
LA because quite traffic.
Yeah. Quick update. We've just stopped at Target to buy food for the next 4 days of camping. And Jen, in her classic fashion, has decided to drop the orange juice we've just bought. And you know, waste half of it. It's just good. At least it wasn't the water supply this time. So we're learning. We're getting better. On our way to Big Bear Lake now to camp for the next night, and then keep moving on towards Grand Canyon. So it'll be fun.
I'm not going near supermarkets and liquids.
Yeah, maybe I should start carrying the liquids and everything now.
We are driving. Whoa! Literally can't see a thing. We're in a cloud. Maybe we're pulled over because I can't see. All I'm saying is I'm glad I'm not driving. It's so dark. But we're nearly at the Big Bear Lake. We're staying a little bit outside and we're going to camp there tonight. So our second camp day of the trip.
So update, we've made it to Big Bear, where we're camping. It was quite an experience driving up here in the thickest fog, but we arrived just now. It took like an hour and a half to get out of LA. LA traffic is no joke, it is terrible. And then up a wiggly mountain road, which was great fun for half of it, until we hit fog that I couldn't see more than 10 feet in front of me, and it was scary. I'll be honest, I did like 20 miles an hour like half the time, just because I was guessing where the road was by the sat nav. But we've made it. It's a lot colder than it's been for any other part of the
My ski clothes on.
for any other part of the trip. It's also pitch black when we've got here, so, and it's raining. Oh, it's raining for the first time. That's a thing. We're probably going to sleep in the car instead of the tent, just because it's warmer. And we have light, and it's dark, and we actually can't see anything around us or where to where to pitch a tent or.
We're really good at this camping thing.
Yeah,
really
we've. Like, I mean, you can't even see. That's how dark it is right now. There we go. No, she's getting changed to a lot of warmer clothes.
Yeah, warm.
So yeah, we're just gonna kind of set the car up again to sleep in it, since we didn't think we were gonna go into it at any point. But yeah, we'll give you an update when it's all sorted. I feel like I've been here before.
Bed pumping.
So this is our setup.
Managed to cut myself.
Yeah, we bought
Bleeding actually quite a lot.
we bought a nice new sharp knife because we didn't have one last time, and cutting up veg was really hard. I give it to Jen for about a second, and she's managed to slice her finger.
It's tiny. I just need to actually clear it up.
And but this is her. She's just sat on the floor chopping up some peppers. I'm about to cook some pasta and stuff. Our little stove next to our bed for the night, which is our car. And it's just pitch black everywhere else around us, as you can see, because it's foggy.
And this is what people call fun.
Or,
it's actually really fun.
or an adventure. It is also drizzling, but it's not actually that bad for an English person. It's quite warm actually.
Have little bowls for dinner.
Nice little bowls.
Very cute bowls.
Are we eating in the car?
No one can see. We can sit on the floor.
You can just sit on the floor?
Whatever.
Just what, like just here? Just on the floor?
Oh, the world is honest.
This is true. Very true. So, still cooking food on the
Still
floor
here.
with our little setup. But we have found found out some new information, have we not?
Yes.
We kind of suspected it, being as we're at Big Bear Lake, but we have been told there are bears and mountain lions, so that's fun.
It's pretty cool. I hope we see one.
But as long as you don't bother them, apparently they just don't bother you. You've got to make sure you don't like leave food lying around and stuff.
And we're cooking up a good damn meal.
Maybe we'll attract some bears then. But quite happy we're sleeping in the car, I guess. Feels a bit safer.
Yeah.
But it'll be quite cool to spot a bear. One just wanders past the car. Maybe we get lucky and maybe we wake up with it on the bonnet.
Maybe.
That will be fun.
Maybe.
A bear on the bonnet in the morning. That's a wake up. But yeah, so that'll be fun. We're just gonna chill in the car after this and just play some cards or something.
Bash my cards like I always do.
Which never beats me. We'll see though. But anyway.
Peace out.
We made it. Well, we finished doing the car up. So this is us in the car. This is where we're gonna sleep for this evening. It's not as cozy as this. Like there is actual space.
Yeah.
I'm just kind of getting in it for the video.
It is spacious though. It's
Yeah.
comfy and warm and dry and we have lights.
Someone's regretting the idea of buying the tent.
And we're gonna play.
She just wants to sleep in the car for the rest of the trip, not the tent. Now that she actually quite likes it.
Yeah.
But yeah, it's pretty cozy. We've had food. Food was good.
We're gonna play some donut cards.
Donut cards.
They're not quite pretty.
They're just normal playing cards, but just with donuts on. It'll be interesting to see what this is like in the morning, because we haven't seen anything.
We went to the toilet and that was an experience.
I mean, it was fine. She's just terrified of anything in the dark. So.
The bears could have come and eaten us.
All the mountain lions. But we survived, so we'll update in the morning, or maybe after I beat her at cards, just to prove that I won.
No, you won't.
Or we'll see. We will see.